How to fix Spotify login error with Google account. To fix your Spotify login error with your Google account, open your browser and go to spotify.com, or if you're using the Spotify app, totally based on your choice. Here, if I go to the login tab from the very top right hand side of the screen, this is the basic interface you should be able to see. So normally you can enter your independent email or username, verify the password or the code to log into your account. But if you had synced your Spotify with your Google account, so you're selecting continue with Google option and you're choosing between one of your Google accounts over here, then you can select that. But if you're getting an error that is not letting you log in, could be that you have not yet signed up for Spotify using that particular Google account, or you might have to create one, or you have to make sure that Google account does not have any sort of restrictions. So you can go to manage your Google account tab and see if Spotify is there within the connections tab. So you can go to third-party connections here, and from third-party connections you can go to and search for Spotify and see if Spotify is listed over here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as